Ever pondered about the influential women in Islamic history and their role in shaping it? It's a fascinating subject, filled with stories of women who were far from passive observers. These were women of courage, wisdom, and strength, who stepped into the fray and played pivotal roles in their respective eras. They left a lasting legacy, forever etching their names into the annals of Islamic history. Now, embark on a journey back in time to meet these remarkable women. Imagine a woman who was a successful entrepreneur in the 7th century, Khadija bint Khuwaylid. She was a woman of great influence, running a prosperous business in a time when such accomplishment was rare. As the first wife of Prophet Muhammad, Khadija's role was pivotal. She was also the first woman to embrace Islam, setting a powerful precedent. Her financial support was instrumental during Islam's infancy, providing much-needed stability. Indeed, Khadija was a beacon of strength and faith during the early days of Islam. Meet Fatima bint Muhammad, a woman respected for her piety and patience. A central figure in Islam, Fatima's role as the Prophet's daughter imbued her with a unique influence and respect within the Muslim community. She was known for her unwavering faith, her dedication to her family, and her contributions to her community. Fatima's legacy lives on through her descendants, the Prophet's lineage, cementing her place in Islamic history. Fatima's life indeed exemplifies patience, resilience, and devotion. Aisha bint Abu Bakr, a woman whose intellect and knowledge left an indelible mark on Islamic history. A revered scholar of hadith, her intellectual prowess shone brightly, contributing significantly to Islamic jurisprudence. Aisha's astute understanding of religious texts and her ability to interpret them was simply unparalleled. She also played a vital role in the politics of her time, her influence reaching far and wide. Her legacy? A treasure trove of knowledge and wisdom that continues to guide the Muslim community. Aisha's wisdom continues to enlighten the Muslim community to this day. From the 7th century to the present, these women have left an enduring legacy in Islamic history. Khadija bint Khuwaylid, the first Muslim woman, was not only a successful businesswoman but also a supportive wife to Prophet Muhammad. Her unwavering faith and wisdom set the foundation for the early Islamic community. Fatima bint Muhammad, renowned for her piety and moral virtues, continues to be a beacon of light for millions. Her strength and resilience in the face of adversity remain a source of inspiration. Aisha bint Abu Bakr, a scholar par excellence, contributed significantly to the intellectual development of the Islamic world. Her teachings and interpretations of the Quran have left an indelible mark on Islamic jurisprudence. Each of these women, in their own unique ways, have shaped the course of Islamic history. Their lives serve as a testament to the significant roles women have played and continue to play in shaping Islamic history.